Alright, now so let's proceed for the third part of the question, which is a numerical, which says that a convex lens of focal length 10 cm is placed coaxially 5 cm away from a concave lens of focal length 10 cm. If an object is placed 30 cm in front of a convex lens, find the position of the final image formed. So here we have to make the arrangement first. So let's go for it one by one. So it is telling that we have a convex lens of focal length 10 cm. So let's make our convex lens. So here is our convex lens, that is f1. Let's say it as 10 cm. It is placed coaxially 5 cm away from a concave lens. So we have a concave lens now. So the focus of it, f2, is again 10 cm. Now it is telling that the distance between these lenses is 5 cm. If an object is placed 30 cm in front of a convex lens, that means this is the object which is 30 cm in the front of the lens. Find the position of the final image formed. Okay, so let us go for it one by one. Let's talk about convex lens first. So for this convex lens, U1 is given to us as minus 30 and F1 is given to us as plus 10. Putting in the lens formula, which is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by V, which we have to find out. Let's give it as V1 minus of 10. So it was 30 minus of minus 30, which implies 1 by V1 plus 1 by 30. So we can say that 1 by V1 is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 30. Putting in the LCM, 33 minus 1. So 1 by V1 can be written as 2 by 30. So 15. That implies V1 is equal to 15 centimeter. That means this object is formed somewhere here, that is 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter from the convex lens, or we can say 10 centimeter for the concave lens. So this image forms a virtual object for the concave lens. So for concave lens, U2 is given to us as plus 15 minus 5, which is plus 10 centimeter, and then the focus f2 is minus 10 centimeter. So putting in the lens formula again, the values, minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by V2 minus of 1 by 10. So minus 1 by 10 is minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10, which comes out to be 0. So 1 by V2 is equal to 0, which implies V2 is equal to infinity. That means the final image is formed at infinity. So in this question, try to just follow a step-by-step procedure. So I hope I was able to make you understand this point very clearly. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.